Up this morning, the sun shining bright, living each moment, feeling alive. Gratitude in my heart, joy in my sight. Every breath I take, everything's alright. Friends by my side, we laugh and we cheer. Living for today with nothing to fear. Through highs and lows, we persevere. Celebrate life, every moment we own. With love and laughter, seeds our soul. Dancing through the days we've grown. This is our anthem. Every day's a gift, laughter, light, hope and dreams. Take a ride, living in the present. Together we shine, hearts ignite, memories we make, stories we tell. In this dance of life we dwell. Through the ups and downs, all is well in the celebration. We excel.